Yes, my people, welcome back to Life is a Mission TV, you know. It's after 8 going 9 o'clock now and we're having a lot of showers, you know. I guess we are past the worst, you know. Yeah, man, we are past the worst. So, you know, we have to look out for some showers. We might don't get a lot of wind after tonight, but we can look out for some showers. So, people, I'm just going to show you some little clippings from some amateur videos out there, you know, of what transpired during the day. This would be Wednesday, because you might not see this video until tomorrow, Thursday. So stay tuned. Want to know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. It's Life is a Mission roving team outside. All right.
We have a bit of a dangerous situation here in Bamboo River, St. Thomas. It appears power lines are touching each other, which are gashing.
Terrible.
This is not safe. This is not safe. Suppose. Yes. What Christian? Jesus Christ.
People take this with joke, you know, look here. You know, look here. Just look. Feel like a joke, something this is going out of door. Just God.
Friend name's Chapo. Yo, you cheer boss like gunshot, man.
Yes, I look on beach. I see this come up on the road and all, no? See both them there. That's some of them. Mark, where are you, lad? Go, watch I see this now road, you know. And I road me stand up, you know. See that? See that now road, brother. Some of both them there. That's some of both them. Both them gone in the lake and some of them drop. Some of them drop on boat. Watch it. I see I can see that one out there.
Shaman? Yeah.
That's why it's going so you know, you know.
It's coming up?
Come here now. Come here now. What's how you do? What's how you the video it now. You see it?
This look like me should have put on my water boot.
Should I put on your water boot?
And Kyle, water boot can't fit him now. In growth in water boot, I see one palm sitting there team you with me one by fame.
Port Royal Main Road, impossible. Impossible. Port Royal Main Road, impossible. The sea has burst the bank. The sea has burst the banks. Leaving a lot of boulders on the road now.